Check out this 2010 Jeep Compass Sport. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include traction control, intermittent wipers, floor mats, rear bench seat, adjustable steering wheel, front reading lamps, auxiliary audio input, and fog lamps. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.